Hello again, 7th graders. I hope you've been having a good week. It is Thursday today, May 21st. As we wrap up the week, hopefully you were able to get that animal reading done on Monday without too much trouble, to just give you a little background information on animals and some of their characteristics. For the second half of the week, some of you have already been working on this, and some of you I know have already got it turned in, is the animal research project. So if you have not looked at it yet, for this project, you're going to be making a presentation about an animal of your choice. It can be from anywhere in the world, any type of animal, from insect, spider, to elephant, to sea sponge, any type of animal. But I would like you to create a presentation or a book about that animal. You can use Google Slides, Book Creator, explain everything. If there's another app you would like to use, just let me know so I'm aware of it. And I've got everything laid out here about the project that you will need to include, or that I would like you to try and find for information. I also have a breakdown here of how many points each of those things is worth. There is also the rubric in Schoology that you can take a look at that I'll be using to grade this. Also, I have included on here 3 websites that I think would be relatively useful for you as you're going through this project. So please take a look at those, even if you just need that for ideas of animals that you can research. Through the rest of this handout, it's all optional. If you want to make some notes, I gave you a couple lines there. If you want to write some stuff down, if it helps you to have a graphic organizer for kind of organizing your thoughts and making sure you don't forget anything, I put that on there also to help you out. You do not need to fill this out and submit it. I just put it there to help you if you wanted to lay things out a little differently than just putting it right in the slideshow. Okay. Other than that, as we finish the week tomorrow, you'll have a little more time to work on this, and we'll do one last Friday phonology assignment, but I'm going to put a little different spin on it this time, and I will try and get that out to you this afternoon in Schoology if you want to get it wrapped up and taken care of later today. I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you next time. See ya.